crochet flower, I need 5-ply yarn. You can choose any yarn of your choice, needle, scissor and 3.5 mm hook. I will start by making the slip knot. You can twist the yarn around the hook and yarn over and pull through this yarn. Pull it, pull this working yarn and close the slip knot. Yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through this part, yarn over. You have to go like this. If you're a beginner, you can look carefully. When you yarn over and pull it like this, you will see a small ring. You have to go through this. So I have to make chain 60. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 60 chains. Now starting from the second chain from the hook, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the yarn. Go to the next chain, insert the hook, yarn over, bring up the yarn. Again, insert the hook in the next chain, yarn over, bring up the yarn. You have to keep these loops on the hook till the end. We will be doing the same thing. Yarn over, bring up the yarn, next chain, yarn over, bring up the yarn, next chain, yarn over, bring up the yarn. I am repeating the same step in all the chains. You can push these behind so you will have enough space in the front of the hook. And this is the last chain. Now before going to the second round, make sure there is no twist. You can see now you can see this is on the lower part of the hook. Now round 2, look carefully because this can be a little bit tricky. Yarn over, pull through the first loop and the second loop. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. So we have to pull the yarn 2 loops at a time. Yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. I'm holding the hook from the base. I will repeat this till the end and I will meet you over here. I have completed this row. Now for the next row, chain 1. You can see these loops over here. We have to go into these loops. This one. One by one we will go into these loops and we will repeat the same steps that we did for the first round. Yarn over, bring up the yarn, go in this front loop, yarn over, bring up the yarn, again next loop, yarn over, bring up the yarn. You just have to go into this top part, top loop. You don't have to go all the way down, no, that will be wrong. We are just going into the front loop. Repeat this till the end. And this is the final one, final loop. And the last one, you have to go into both the loops. Now this round is slightly different than the previous one. What I have to do, first yarn over, pull through the first chain, chain 1, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops at a time, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 1, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, chain 1, pull through 2 loops, chain 1. Make sure just take 2 loops at a time. 2 loops, chain 1. So by making chain 1 in between, you can see we are getting this extra space. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 1, pull through 2 loops, chain 1. Keep repeating till the end. I will meet you. These are the final 2 chains. You have to yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. You can see in this round we have you can see there are gaps. Now we are going to work into these gaps. So I will make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that I have to make a single crochet on these 2 loops, the 2 loops of the first single crochet. Make a single crochet. Now moving on to the next chain space, make a single crochet, chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and you can see these 2 loops. Go inside these 2 loops, yarn over, bring the yarn and single crochet. Now next chain space, single crochet, one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet on top of this single crochet, the front 2 loops. Moving on to the next space, make a single crochet, After making chain 5, we are making a single crochet on these two loops. 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the single crochet that we did. We have to make a single crochet on top of that single crochet. Now next chain space, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet over here in these two loops. Moving on to the next space, single crochet, chain 5 and single crochet. Next space, single crochet, chain 5 and single crochet on top. We are not going under the stitches, we are just using the top two loops. Next space, one single crochet, chain 5 and one single crochet again. We have to make these petals all across this, and I will just complete this and I will meet you at the end and I will show you how to assemble the flower. I have completed making all the petals. Now I will just make the final one. One single crochet, chain 5, make a single crochet here on top of this previous single crochet, and make a slip stitch into the same space. Chain 1, cut the yarn and pull through. I will cut this end. Take this end in the needle and start folding from the other side. Now take the needle and sew this ends. Make sure to go through all the loops. Cut the extra yarn. So this easy flower is ready. You can use this for decorating your crochet bags or use this as a bag charm, keychain, and you can use it for different purposes. So do try this and let me know in the comment section how was this flower and how was the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment. So see you again in the next tutorial. Bye.